Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my kitchen, where we whip up delicious and easy recipes that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Today, I'm sharing a family favorite that's quick, easy, and oh so delicious: my creamy cucumber salad. This dish is perfect for those hot summer days when you want something refreshing yet satisfying. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 7 to 10 small cucumbers or 2 English cucumbers. Slice them into rings. The thinner you slice them, the better they'll absorb the dressing, giving you that perfect crunch in every bite. If you're using English cucumbers, peel them only if they're waxed. The skin can add a nice texture, but if it's waxed, it's best to remove it for a smoother bite. Next, chop a medium onion, red, yellow, or Vidalia, your choice. Each type of onion brings its own unique flavor to the salad. Red onions add a bit of sharpness, while Vidalia onions are sweeter. Add 1/3 cup of chopped green chives and some fresh dill, but save a little for garnish later. The chives add a mild onion flavor, and the dill gives it that classic, fresh taste. In a large bowl, combine your sliced cucumbers, chopped onion, chives, and most of the dill. Make sure everything is well mixed so that each bite is packed with flavor. Now let's make the dressing. This is where the magic happens. In a separate bowl, mix together full-fat sour cream, or you can use reduced fat or Greek yogurt if you prefer, some lemon juice, a bit of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic, pressed, grated, or minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. The sour cream or yogurt gives it a creamy base, while the lemon juice adds a zesty kick. Pour this creamy goodness over your cucumber mixture and stir to combine. Make sure every piece is coated with the dressing for maximum flavor. Don't forget to garnish with that reserved fresh dill. It not only adds a pop of color but also enhances the flavor. This salad pairs wonderfully with mashed potatoes, rice, salmon, or steak. It's versatile enough to complement a variety of main dishes. It's super simple with just 5 minutes of prep time. Yes, you heard that right, just 5 minutes. The fresh ingredients and creamy dressing make it a comforting dish that'll take you back to childhood. It's like a hug in a bowl, perfect for family gatherings or a quick lunch. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations, and if you're looking for more delicious recipes, check out my cookbook. There's an entire chapter dedicated to salads. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!